enda járn í beini, enginn heimur aðeins steini. In the first of iron winters, a lone wolf faced the frozen highlands. Quiet heart with iron sinew, seeing only stone for kingdom. Brú hans spor í djúpa skafla, stjörnurnar hvísla, leita hafla. Ofan úr norðri brá sér logi, blár sem nótt á brimsöldum skógum. He carved his tracks through drifted silence, stars kept whispering, seek and wander from far north, flared out of fire, blue as a night on sea-soaked forest. Stormsmiður úlfur hjarta frá fjöllum, farir í helga heim til kvöldum. Fylgdu mér logi, leitar spor, leið mér í ljósins formann stór. Stormforged wolf, heart hewn from mountains, where is the hall of sacred evening? Guide me, blue flame, along my footprints, lead me to doors of ancient daylight. Við rætur Yggdrasils skalfu rætur, snákar sofnuðu í steinugum lætum. Úlfsins spor þau brutu fjötur, bundin kringum mannanna tötrum. At Yggdrasils roots the old roots shivered, serpents slumbered in their stony murmurs. The wolf's slow steps cracked hidden shackles, twisted around the rags of mortals. Grár var himinn, grár var jörðin, en í augum hans rauðu börnin. Minninga manna, mislituð glóð, vistuð í vindum, varla í móð. Grey the sky and grey the valley, yet his eyes held ember children, shards of memories. Human heart fire stored in winds and seldom breathing. Stormsmiður úlfur hjarta frá fjöllum, farir í helga heim til kvöldum. Fylgdu mér logi, leitar spor, leið mér í ljósins formann stór. Stormforged wolf, heart hewn from mountains, where is the hall of sacred evening? Guide me, blue flame, along my footprints, lead me to doors of ancient daylight. Daginn tundi skýra þrumu, fell úr rúnum fornra gruma. Spjót úr snjó og skjöldu, rímor fylgdu fram úr fjallsins stýrum. Then one day a thunder sounded, runes broke open, old mist parted. Spears of snow and shields of hoarfrost marched from caves in mountains marrow. Þeirra höfðingi Rokkvíð einn bar afli járns í frostrunnin lein. Úlfur mælti stormum stýrir, ber þú byrði bræðra dýrðir. The chieftain knarrled and frosted leader, wore the weight of a winter's iron wolf. He spoke, you steer the tempest, you must bear our brother's glory. Geisli í höndum, öldur í lofti, hríði í öndum. Leiðina leiddi blái loginn, bjó í brjósti úlfsins sóginn. So began the march of omens, waves in air and storms in breathing. The path was drawn by that blue fire, living near the wolf's deep heartbeat. Þeir koma dal þar dreyrug sól, faldist af fjalli, þurrkaði skól. Fólk í torfi, fölnuð börn, biðu